Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're talking about a tool that's a game changer for anyone who takes their grooming seriously, whether you're a professional or just someone who likes to keep their look sharp. Meet the BaBylissPRO Replacement Blades, designed specifically for those who need precision and power when it comes to trimming and outlining. Whether you're working with the FX787, FX799, or the LoPROFX FX726, FX729 trimmers, these deep-toothed T-blades promise a flawless, clean cut every time. Let's get into the specifics of what these blades actually bring to the table. They're engineered for professional salon and spa use, but don't let that intimidate you. They're equally perfect for anyone who wants a close, clean trim at home. The deep-tooth design makes it easier to outline, giving you precision and control. So whether you're creating a fade or doing detail work, these blades are up to the task. The material quality here is excellent. The blade itself is made from durable stainless steel, offering smooth cuts that last. What I appreciate about these blades is their ability to handle different types of hair, from coarse to fine. It's a versatile tool that can really elevate your grooming routine, no matter your hair type. Now let's talk about real-world usage. I've been using these blades for a few weeks, and here's what I noticed. First off, they're incredibly easy to install on the trimmer, which is a huge plus for anyone who doesn't want to deal with complicated setups. Once on, the cutting performance is smooth and consistent. There's a noticeable difference in the way the blade handles hair. Whether it's edging, outlining, or even doing some light fading, I felt confident and in control. In terms of comfort, the blade's design makes it less likely to pull or snag, which is important if you want a smooth experience. Even after several uses, the blade didn't dull significantly, which speaks to its durability. And speaking of durability, the blade didn't overheat or cause any irritation, which is a common issue with some other blades out there. So what are the pros and cons? Let's start with the positives. These blades are sharp, durable, and incredibly precise. They work well for all hair types, and you get that professional quality cut without the hefty price tag of salon services. The deep tooth design is fantastic for detailed trimming. On the downside, these blades may not be the best option if you're looking for something super lightweight. It's a minor issue, but worth mentioning for those who prefer a lighter feel when trimming. As for value for money, I'd say these blades are absolutely worth the investment, especially if you're someone who uses their trimmer frequently. They're made to last, and given how they perform, they offer good bang for your buck. If you're constantly in need of replacements or looking for something more durable than the standard options, these are a solid choice. Now, are there alternatives out there? Sure, there are plenty of options in the market, but none that quite match the quality and precision of these BaBylissPRO blades at this price. You could opt for cheaper blades, but I've found that they often don't hold up as well or don't offer the same level of performance, especially when it comes to detailing. So unless you're looking to compromise on quality, these are a top pick. In terms of build quality, the BaBylissPRO blades are top-notch. The stainless steel construction makes them durable, and they're built to withstand the rigors of professional use. They also keep their sharpness longer than most other blades I've tested, so you're not going to be making frequent replacements. To sum up, if you're someone who's serious about your grooming and wants that sharp, clean cut, these BaBylissPRO replacement blades are definitely worth considering. They deliver on performance, durability, and precision. Plus, they're versatile enough to work for different hair types and styles. If you're using the FX787, FX799, or LoPROFX models, these blades are a must-have. Before I wrap up, if this review was helpful to you, please make sure to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on any more honest reviews like this one. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried these BaBylissPRO blades yourself, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.